Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to a new video after ages. I know. But today we're looking at how to get the cheapest MacBooks in Australia and watch till the end to know how, where, what, everything about it. The new Apple event is coming soon on the 10th of September, and we're always looking to buy something or the other on the date of launch. And it's very expensive. I don't need to tell you that. So I never like to buy anything on retail, and I'm always looking for some discounts or the other, and have found a perfect hack to save money on Apple website. This is the original Apple website, and you're getting products directly shipped from Apple. So why pay extra? So let's say I want to buy a Mac from the Apple official Australia website. So let's say I want to buy a MacBook, right? Let's go to MacBook Pro. I want to buy this 14-inch MacBook Pro, right? So I go to buy. Starts at $2,699 here. So we go to the 14-inch. I want to buy M3 Pro model with 1 TB of storage, for example. So this is the 1 TB variant, which is the M3 Pro with 12 core CPU, 18 core GPU, 18 GB RAM, 1 TB SSD, and I find this perfect for my use, so I go for this one. And if we want to change the configuration, we can, but for the purpose of this video, let's go for the default one, which is the M3 Pro chip, 18 GB RAM, 1 TB SSD storage, basic backlit keyboard with English US. Don't add anything extra for now. Add it to bag, and let's review the bag as well so that there's no extra costs. Yeah, so it is $4,199 on the Apple AU website, and I can check it out now with no shipping fees, right? So here, remember this price, it's $4,199. And now for the big reveal. Let me show you how it goes. No, this is not your standard student discount you guys might know about. And no, you do not need any student ID for this. Drum roll. And now I've already opened the page for you guys. This is the Apple AUC AU website, which is the Australian Education Union store. And let's do the same thing here now. We go to a Mac. We want to buy a MacBook Pro, the similar one which we bought earlier. So let's go to buy. Right. 14-inch M3 Pro with this 12 core CPU, 18 core GPU, 18 GB RAM, 1 TB SSD. Ready for the reveal of the price? And here it is. It's $3,694.90, where it was $4,199 there, so which is a savings of around 500 plus dollars. So we go down here, select this one, do the same thing here, don't add anything extra. So M3 Pro, 18 GB RAM, 1 TB SSD, don't add anything extras, add it to bag, and it makes it let's see. So it's $3,359 with GST of $335.90, which makes it a total of $3,694. We can pick it up from store, order it online to be shipped to our address, and voila, you saved 500 plus dollars. And there are multiple ways to save extra dollars, where you can buy Apple gift cards at around 10% discount, which will make it further 10% discount for you. And $3,694 minus $369, which is around $3,300 for you, which is a massive saving from the original $4,199. And it doesn't ask for any student details for you, and you can, yeah, directly buy it, purchase it, just check out, and there's no need to add any student details on this page. Most people don't know about this hack, and it makes it a major savings if you do. If you want to learn more about how to save using gift cards, please let me know in the comments down below, and I'll make sure I'll make a video for that. So if you like the video, please like, subscribe, and share with friends who'd like to save money. And yeah, cool. See you next time.